Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make once-off payment on FNB app, right? And it's going to be very easy. So first of all, you have to use these FNB app, log into your FNB app, and then you have to tap pay. Once you click on the pay, you will get this on the left side, right? And after that, you have to select once-off payment, which is in between, right? And once you select that, you have to select specify recipient details, right? And once you enter the details, you have to select the public recipient, and once you select that, you have to enter branch code. And once you enter the branch code, you have to enter these branch code number, which you will get this here to fill up this, as you can see here. And once you do that, you have to enter the name and account number, right? So both these boxes are empty, so you have to fill this up. And once you fill this up, you have to complete once off payment details. You have to enter the amount, you have to enter the owner reference and recipient reference, right? You have to enter this name, and you can also tick mark send proof of payments, right? And once you tick mark this, right, just complete this. And if you just go to the below, you will find the option of confirm, so just click on confirm. And once you do it, it's done. So this is how you can do the once-off payment on FNB app. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.